I'm Colonel Travis Leighton, and I'm the director of the Tyndall Reconstruction Program Management Office. I'm part of a team that is executing a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar reconstruction effort to rebuild Tyndall Air Force Base following Hurricane Michael. Well, air bases are our Air Force's weapons platforms, and rebuilding Tyndall provides air power to our warfighters and to our country. My work is meaningful because I get to work with some of the most outstanding men and women every day executing the rebuild of Tyndall Air Force Base. Our job is very important because we are not only rebuilding Tyndall, we are building the base of the future, and we are ensuring mission continuity throughout the entire rebuild program. The best part of my job is working with the people in the Tyndall PMO and the 325th Fighter Wing every day as we rebuild Tyndall Air Force Base. I joined the Air Force because I wanted to serve my country. I've been given a dream job that few people have the opportunity to do, and it is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to rebuild an air base from scratch. I'm Colonel Travis Leighton, director of the Tyndall PMO. I am IMSC.